I'm Piaget Jenkins. In this video, we will demonstrate the functionality of the user home directory. This feature allows you to configure a template for the files and folders that should be available or copied to the user's home drive. So, for example, you could place a new folder with the company logo, or as you will see in just a moment. Now, to get there, we should navigate to Composition, Files and Folders, and User Home Directory. The first tab you will see is the Action tab. Please be sure that the drive letter to their home directory matches the letter specified for your users. As you will see here, you can also configure a variable for different values or for different groups or users. So before we configure any actions, we actually have to go over to the File tab here. So here at the Files tab, we can have files from a local machine in which the management console is launched, or we can create a new folder to place in the user's directory. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin, we click the Add button, and we browse to what we're looking for. In our case, we're going to choose the logo right here. And this folder contains a logo that's a JPEG of the new company image. We click OK. And we're also going to go ahead and add a new folder called Brochure. And we're going to place a PDF in there with the brochure. So once again, we click Add, and let's navigate to the file. And there it is. Now that we have selected the files, we can navigate to the Actions tab. Here we can set actions that we would like to perform in any of the files or the folders that we have just placed in the user's home directory. So for example, we can set the logo folder to copy to the directory. This way, if the user deletes the folder, it will be copied down at logon if not already present. So to do so, we click on Add, and we make sure it's enabled. And we can add our administrative note, and then we select our object, which is the logo folder. After selecting the object, you can see that the folder and the attributes have already been added for you. You can select the alias if you would like, and the target is also already placed. Next, we come down to the Action tab, and we select Copy if target does not exist. That way it's not copied down each time, but only if the user deletes the folder. Once again, you can add access control or workspace control if you desire, and we click OK. Now let's log on with our user. Now that we're logged on with our user, let's have a look at our user home directory. As you can see, we have the brochure folder here, with the brochure there, as well as our logo folder, with the RES software logo. So let's go ahead and test that out. Let's delete the logo folder. And let's log off. And once again, we're going to log on. Let's go back to our home drive. And as you can see, the logo is right back where it should be. And there you are. This was User Home Directory for RES Workspace Manager 2011. Thanks for viewing.